So the product I use is actually from Master's Formula. You can find this stuff online. I'll put it in the description at the bottom here. But this stuff works great. And what I follow this up with is with Grout's Garage Speed Ceramic Shine. Once I use this with this, we'll get a shine off of this for 6+ months. So it's well worth it, and it's very, very little effort. Again, if it's excessive, you're going to have to sand it a little bit, and that's with like 1500 grit, and just very, very lightly. And it doesn't take a whole lot of this stuff, and I'll show you right now. That's all you need to get the first layer. And what you'll see as we do this, and again, I'm not even putting a whole lot of effort into this. It's that easy. So, and what you'll hear as you do it is you'll hear like a squeaky sound, and that's how you know you've gotten pretty much everything off. Usually, you can hear it now. Usually I'll do about 2 passes on it. And again, I'm not putting a whole lot of effort into this. But again, every like 6 months or so I do this. And you can see that's all the contamination that's basically on the lens. I'll give her a quick wipe here. And she's already looking 99% better. And again, very, very little effort needed. I'll do a second pass on this, and not required, but I usually do passes until I don't see that yellow residue anymore, because that means we got all the contamination out of that. And then that's why we use that ceramic after. That Grout is, I found that to work pretty dang good, not only just for the paint, but for the lenses. And they also have a wax you can use. And what it does is it fills those microscopic scratches that we're cleaning out right now. So right now, this is just about done. You can see not a whole lot more residue left on this anymore. So we'll get that. We'll give her another wipe here. And then we'll spray her down with this. And usually I'll do 1 or 2 passes with this. And you can see how well this works. And again, if somebody wants to, take the time and clear coat this, you can. These were actually clear coated when I bought the car, and it lasted for about a year, and it just peeled right off. So you can see how good that looks. And we can compare it now to the other side. Nice and shiny. And you can see the fog lamp on this side. Haven't done that one yet, but we will in a second. But you can see how clear that one is. And again, the same process. Nothing complicated. We'll just add a little bit of this. And again, doesn't take a whole bunch. And then we'll just rub it in. And you really don't have to put a crazy amount of effort into it. But you can already see that just, you start hearing squeaking. That's how you know you're just about done with it. So you can see all the junk that comes off. And a little bit gets on your paint. It's not going to hurt it. Just don't go crazy on your paint. Maybe we'll do one more pass, because this one was pretty bad. Okay. And we're almost done now. You heard that sound? That means we're getting to the end here. Again, that came most of the way off. We'll wipe her down. She's looking really good. We'll spray her down. Wipe her down a couple of times here. There's 1. There's 2. And that's it. We're done. Got both sides done. This video, we're up to 3, almost 4 minutes. Did this whole side. Other side took about 4 minutes. So 10 minutes, whole new look to the car. You can see the drastic difference. And this, won't have to do it again for 6 months. So if you have any questions about this or any other products that you've tried, put them in the comments. I'll answer you. But this is, I've tried everything. This is the best combo that I've found. So anyway, guys, have a great day.